Let us start from how to install Python in our PC. Just go to the Chrome and search for Python. Python download simple. And then you can see the first link, this download Python. This is official link, no need to worry. And here download Python 3.12.0. This is the latest version. Here you can see that for Windows, Linux, and macOS. My PC is Windows, so I'm gonna install for Windows. Click on that. Then you can see two sides: stable releases, pre-releases. Stable releases have updates and bug fixing for the most period of time. Pre-releases are given to the user so they can test the release version, how they perform, and if they find any bugs they can give the review to the Python community, and they can solve the problem in the next version. So if you want to try something new, you can go for the pre-releases, or if you just want some stable versions, you can go for the stable releases. That's all.